Hi guys, welcome again to another episode of Aloha Shoyu Saturday. And for those of you guys who just joined us, our product of the month is Aloha Shoyu's Poke Sauce, which is now available at selected Walmart stores. For this week's recipe, we'll be making ginger beef stew, which includes Aloha Shoyu's Poke Sauce, along with diced garlic, sliced white onion, ginger, we got beef stew meat, green sweet pepper, some tripe. We'll season it with some bay leaf, some cracked black pepper, and some beef powder. Let's now just head over to the stove. All right, let's just start with oil into the hot pan. And then to that, we'll just add in we'll just saute our white onion. Stir that around and add our garlic. And then let's just cook this for about a minute. Alright, making sure that the garlic doesn't burn. So you just want to stir it around. Now let's add our ginger. That. So it's a ginger stew, so you want to add a substantial amount of ginger, and that looks good. We'll just stir it around, and then we'll just add our bay leaf, about 4 bay leaves. All right, we're just gonna cook this for about a minute. So far we have the onion, the garlic, the ginger, and the bay leaf. And now we'll add our beef to this. There we go. Just in it goes. Then you just want to stir it around, and then you just want it to brown a little. All right, so at this point, you want to add some cracked black pepper. Ooh. All right, so if you're looking to choose what kind of meat to use for stew, I would say find a meat that has some marbling, some of that fat, and also gives good flavor to the whole dish. Alright, now at this point, we will add our Aloha Shoyu Poke Sauce. Just give it a little shake like that. And then we'll just pour it in like so, probably about a cup. And what this will do is give it a little bit of spicy to it, a little tang, and some color. Let's just give it a little stir. And to this, we'll add some beef flavor powder. Like that. Give it a stir. And it's time. We're going to add our water. So right now we want to have this come to a boil, and then we'll just skim some of the impurities off the top, and then after that we'll just lower the heat to a medium to have it simmer for about an hour to an hour and a half. All right, as you can see now, you can see all that impurity that's floating to the top. So we're just gonna skim it a little just to get all of those out. Alright, so I'm just gonna continue skimming the top off. I mean, it won't hurt if you can't get all of the impurities out. Alright, let's add the tripe in. Carefully into the pot. Okay, Give it a stir. Doesn't this remind you of a Filipino dish? If you do, comment down below. But yes, my mom used to always make this on rainy days when it's cold. Now that the cold season is coming up, this is so perfect. And last but not least, when the stew is almost done, we want to add in our sweet peppers. Here we go. Carefully. All right, and then just stir this in. Oh, check this out. It is done. Turn off the heat. Give it a little stir. So we're just gonna serve this with the side of rice and some garnish with some green onion. And we're just gonna spoon this over to the bowl. Just like that. Get some of the meat, the tripe, and the peppers. Awesome. All right, and there you have it. Ginger beef stew with sweet peppers, side of rice, just like mom used to make.